Hi, welcome to Akshaya Money Management YouTube channel. Hope everybody is safe at home. So let us see how is the May month had gone, and let us see a market outlook of June month. So we have seen the Nifty falling from almost like a 12,300 levels to the bottom, almost 7,500 levels. We have seen minus 38% fall in the Nifty. And if you see the starting month of the June, we have crossed 10,000 level of the Nifty. So still we need to have a 17% recovery in the stock market. We have seen the March 24th is the bottom of the Nifty and Sensex. From there, we have seen the last 2 months it has been recovered. There are a lot of economic boosters is been introduced by the government, almost 20 lakh crores, which everybody knows it. In that one, 1.8 lakh crores has been came to the system. Remaining, I feel it comes in the medium and long term period. And in this slowdown, a lot of experts and Modi Investment Services has been expected that our India GDP may go down to minus. But now again the revised one they're expecting in the year 2021 it will be like a 8.7% GDP is expected by the Modi Investment Services. And let us recall what we have spoken in the last month video. We said the dollar against dollar rupee is depreciating. That is a good for FIs. If you see the data, till from January 2020, there have been a lot of selling happening from the FIs. If you see the highest selling happened by FIs in the March is 65,000 crores is been removed from the Indian markets. This is the highest money in 1 month. They removed it in the last 7 to 8 years. Now, if you see in the May, from the last week onwards, the money is been started dumping into the Indian market. Almost like a 14,000 crores FIs started investing. That is a good sign for our stock market. That's why we're seeing our stock market has gone up from the last week of the May. If you see in the same time, our domestic DIS, domestic has been continuously investing, maybe your SIPs, or it may be a domestic investors who feel that the smarter investor people who want to invest at the low, they have been continuously investing. If you see in the March 2020, 55,000 crores is been invested by the domestic people. Because of these people, we are seeing the in the month of March, April, there's a uptrend in the equity market. And if you take a data in this month, June month till 4th, they are continuously they are buying almost 13,000 crores already came in the month of June. So it is a very good sign. We're expecting this month will be a very good month for the equity markets. So I expect, because till now banks is not performed, from June onwards I think bank will going to perform, because our index, if you want to move, bank is a 35% weightage is there, and in Nifty or Sensex, so that should move. Then only we'll see the Nifty and Sensex will going up. And the sectors which we are banking on is a pharmaceutical and chemical industry. These are the things what we are banking on this year. 2020 will be very good for the pharmaceutical, because pharmaceutical almost like a 4 years it was like a range bound kind of a thing is there. This year will be a very good for the pharmaceutical. So I recommend you should be participating in the pharmaceutical funds or pharmaceutical stocks. And to be frank, you please avoid right now the large cap, because large cap is cross. Usually I'll show that values and PE ratios. So PE is gone ahead of the average levels. So better to go for the mid caps and multi caps. This will be performing in the month of June. And if you see the interview of the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, he He says pharma will going to double from here. So he says whatever the pharma is gone up, maybe a 30% or 40% from here, but you can expect another from here doubling the valuations of the stocks. So please focus on the pharmaceutical sectors. And as again, let us recall what we have spoken of the last video. We said a lot of Chinese companies or China foreign people who want to invest in China, they are taking to India as an opportunity. That's why you can see the latest news on the June 3rd, what we heard it, Apple, Samsung, there are a lot of companies, mobile companies, they want to invest into India. Almost 40,000 crores is been sanctioned in Indian government to manufacture all these companies. So this is all good news. What we are seeing, like a अच्छा दिन आ रहा है. And you can see the stocks. Last time, let us recall again the last month. I said to invest in the Reliance. See, in the Reliance, after the Facebook 43,000 crores which we invested in Indian market, after that, four more companies is, you can see the list, Vista, KR, these are Silver Lanes, these are all the companies which been invested through Reliance. These are money which is coming into the Indian market. This altogether almost like a 78,000 crores is been coming to the Indian markets. So this is all again the good news. There are a lot of good news are there. So we're expecting this month onwards, we'll see the very good recovery in the stock market. So these are the strategies. And the Reliance is going to become a debt-free company. So if you don't have the stock, please buy the Reliance stocks and hold it for a long term. And a time for the stock recovery. Let us see what we have spoken into the last month. I recommended to invest stock Pidilite in the last month. It has given 10% returns. This is a 1 month graph. You can see 10% returns it is given in the 1 month. And Reliance, it is given 12% returns in a 1 month. Just in a 1 month. It's all 1 month data. You are seeing it. And HDFC, which I said you must have it, has given 16% returns in a 1 month. So you does not know when this stocks, which was almost like a silent for 1-2 months, when it will rise, we don't know. So always better to invest in the downside so that these good stocks will give you fantastic returns. And if I tell you what are the stocks I've been telling from the February onwards, if you see the performance levels, it may be HUL, Britannia, Nestle, JB Chemicals, Alchemine, Deepak Nitrates. On an average, in a 1 quarter, it is given 29% returns against the Nifty, which is in the negative of 19%. So index, you may see it is lagging, but you should identify such a stocks which will give you very good returns in your portfolio. And these are the few which we recommended from the month of February. We have been recommending the stocks. And let us, a lot of viewers will ask for what is that new stocks we should buy for this month. So you can buy, this is one company which is a Bangalore-based company. This is a technology base. So Dixon company, you can buy it, and every dip you should add it in your portfolio. This is a very good quality stocks. You should hold it in your portfolio. And second, this is one more global, which has been they across the things is there. Like for example, FMCG, they have in the school, they have in the jewelries. So Vaibhav Global Technology is a second stock which I am recommending for the June month. Hope this will be giving you value added for you. Thank you. Let us meet in the next meeting.